I am going to go crazy. The amount of time I have just wasted tonight. It is 9:30 on the 10th, and I've taken my Anchor out on stickers. I have my studio lights on, but like, I have gone through like an extra 15 sheets from just printing this kit. Like, when I say like a lot, this is all messed up pages from that kit. And I'm getting, and then my vlog camera just dies. It is not my night, and you guys have been amazing. You guys have helped me out so much, because I posted on Instagram. If you're not following me, there it is. It is at PrinceVI. I mean, oops, sorry guys. I have you on a tripod so I can just like talk with my hands, be angry, but I really can't be that angry because I'm obsessed with that kit. And so today is the Wednesday, and I originally wasn't going to release until tomorrow. Yeah, I was gonna release on Thursday, but you guys helped me out so much on Instagram. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna release today because you guys are awesome, and I wanted to film my video because the video is still gonna go up tomorrow. And you guys helped me decide on this guy. There we go. And there we go. No. Anyway, at PrinceVI. That's where I am. And you guys helped me so much at deciding what kit, because I had the mermaid, like totally gonna do the mermaid. I just didn't know how I wanted to do it. And it was one of those things that I was like, there's like two ways that I could go, and I debated releasing both and debating like doing one super kind of, what's the word I'm looking for? Like the patterns were super busy. And so I really liked them, but it just, I couldn't get them to work. Like, I wanted the mermaids to be there, but I didn't want the mermaids to get lost in it, and I wanted it to be pretty. And so I spent like 3 hours on them, and finally I was just like, you know what? Instagram, tell me, please tell me. And so you guys rock. And I was just packaging up kits, and this is for my new releases. I have the full kit back here. I have a trash full of the crappy stuff. And then I have to rearrange these, meaning I have to get them in like kit form, and I need to save some. And then the glitter headers that go with it. These are really pretty. These are really good for St. Patrick's Day, so you can like get best of both worlds. And so now I need to actually put those together, and then I have to print the other kit. But like I said, I've had anger issues today. I got so mad to the point where I had to stop. It didn't matter what page, it didn't matter, and it was like, I have 5 silhouettes, so I do 1 through 5, technically it's 5, 5, 2, 1, 4. That is my order of how they are. Right here. So we got 5, 5, 2, 1, 4. Yeah, so obviously you can see that 1 is powered off right here, number 2. That is powered off. Yeah, because it is being very rude tonight. And then I think number 1 is randomly being rude as well, but I cut on it and I test it and it's fine. And then I'm like, okay, then I test this guy and he's fine. And then this guy doesn't work. And then this guy up here is not working, meaning like they're not cutting, like it's just not cutting. So let's see. And then number 2 decided, I don't know if this is gonna show up. Yeah, see that? It like skipped, yet the blade is fine. It literally just cut fine. And then we had this out of freaking nowhere. Okay, come at me, silhouettes. Come at me. Can you tell I'm still angry? I can still feel that I'm like, I I need to find a happy place. New releases are awesome and I just need to like get on it. I haven't sure, I call these like Pinterest kits, like the picture kits. There we go. I call them Pinterest kits because they look like they would belong on Pinterest because they're so aesthetically pleasing. I haven't like, what's the word? I haven't like committed to them yet. Like I'm not sure that I'm like there. Like I don't know if we're like there. Like I don't know if I can do another one. Like I just don't know if I like it. Is that, like I like it. Like I like it a lot. Like I like the kit I designed, but I don't know, because I like to use the stuff that I design as well. So something that is kind of exciting, I got a monthly planner. Oh wait, there's a like hair on the camera lens. Sorry about that. So I got a monthly planner and it says, you are my today and all of my tomorrows. Isn't that cute? I think that's cute. Clearly I forgot what the quote said. So we got this guy, and I'm going to be using this as a budget planner slash, I'd say actually maybe more budget planner. But it literally looks like an Erin Condren monthly. Like nothing super special. I think I'm gonna do like maybe a setup. I'm using Jen Plans. I read Dave Ramsey. I read him actually a couple weeks ago, and then I found her group through the Go Wild, I believe is that what it's called? I don't remember. Yeah. And so she has a budget group, and I was like, oh my God, that's awesome. I don't carry debt. I just don't like it. So I'm really kind of doing it more to just budget and kind of plan out where my money's going. It's just something I want to get better at, because it's hard when you have like a normal income and then you have like stickers, for instance. I want to get smarter about my money. I'm pretty good with money. Like I'm in stocks, 401k, like all that, but like I want to know where my money's going versus like, oh, I have enough money, I can just spend what I want. You know what I mean? Like each person can relatively spend what they want, whether it's going to the dollar store, spend as much as you want, or whether you go to Target and spend as much as you want, or you go to, what is it, Louis Vuitton and spend as much as you want. You know, each person is different. I have been fortunate enough that I've been pretty good with money because my dad taught me so well, that I have a lifestyle where I don't really have to think of kind of what I'm spending within reason. Does that make sense? Like I have to think. I'm not gonna just go like shopping at Louis Vuitton every day. But if I wanna get a Louis Vuitton purse, I can save up and be like, hey, I'm gonna do $500 a month and then in 4 months I can go buy it type thing. But it's like, I wanna like budget that out. So like, kind of like free spending, and the fact that we just got married, so things are changing, I have to answer to someone. And I really wanna kind of just get ahead, because I know not necessarily like the amount of money that we have like is a problem, or lack there, or excessive. It's like how to manage the money. I feel like, well, that's essentially the leading thing to divorce, is not the amount of money you have or don't have, it's how you manage it. And so Mike and I have to work on how we're gonna manage it together. And I'm a control freak, like hardcore. Like I'm a planner control freak, and I want to kind of like lay it out and say, this is when our bills due, this is when this is due, and plan out like, oh, do we want to take a vacation there this year? So, oh, we do, okay. Do we want to go visit his parents? Okay, great, like type thing. So we want to, by we I mean me, I want to be better at planning where my money is going versus being like super like, oh, it's fine, like bye, next, you know? Does that make sense? I probably sound like such like an idiot, and you guys are like, what the heck is she talking about? I promise you I'm not an idiot. I do semi know what I'm talking about. And I'm really excited to kind of plan that out. And that's gonna be from Jen Plans How She Budgets. And I'll do a setup video on mine. Obviously I'll refer to her because she's the bomb. So yeah, I'm gonna work on this hopefully, and I need to film these new releases, but I just need time out from my silhouettes. I think in the last like segment I was like probably batshit crazy, but it's okay. But we'll see. We'll get there. Just take my time. I may just print the draft for the new releases versus like the full batch. Like I'll go in, print it, cut it, and then print the full batch tonight, and then that way I can just cut them tomorrow, Friday. Because I have the Majestic Mountain ones cut and packaged in here. Actually, I can show you because we're vlogging. So these guys are in here. I have them, instead of glossy in the front and matte in the back, I have mini kits. Oh, my computer's in the way. Oh, it's up there. I have mini kits in the back and then full kits in the front, and then the respective glitter headers and like the little flags, which I think are a good addition, because I know glitter headers, you have like that one other color and you're like, I don't know, should I save it? And you end up never using it because you buy the glitter headers anyway. So that is what's going in there. I have to do the peonies ones. These guys I have to package, and then I need to print and cut the Mermaid Waves is what I think I named it. Yeah, I think that's what I named it. So I'm gonna print and cut that, and then tomorrow my new release video will go up, since Instagram people who helped me out got a sneak peek into it, and it's gonna be 10% off. So this vlog won't even be probably close to when the sale is. Sorry about that. Hopefully I'll have another one soon. So I'll be right back. I swear, one more time, if these freaking, I swear, I am going to, yeah, don't mind my hair, I just stuck it in a clip. But like, for real, although, I feel like I shouldn't show you this, because now everyone's gonna want it, and I feel terrible, because I love it without it. Yeah, sorry, my clip is like, this is a mess up trial, because the thing I used, like, didn't print well, but oh my God. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Ah, it is so beautiful. Like, look at that. Except for, let me see if I can show you what I was talking about, that this one kind of messed up. I'm gonna get real up and close. So I got some Photoshop brushes. I'm gonna zoom out and then zoom you in. Yeah, you can kind of see it. I can see it on the viewfinder. I just need it to focus. Today is not my day. I'm zooming out all the way. Yeah, so see around this foil, there's like all this like black. It's because the brush I used had like almost like a splatter. So it like created that shadow around the foil. Essentially just printed black dots, but I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna release a foiled kit of this one unless I get like a billion votes to do it. Cause I almost feel like this kit, it kind of ruins it. I don't know. I don't know.